Hello amazing traders and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Sean Forex, and so in this video I'll be quickly doing market recap on what happened last week and the nature of market movement for this week. As at the beginning of this week, which was Sunday, I was able to run analysis that GBP JPY is about to sell massively. And for those of you guys who have watched my previous videos since last week, you understand that everything we have predicted actually correct. Everything the way we predicted it, market respect it exactly. And as I'm speaking right now, market has closed for today. And whoever took this, to those who follow this analysis, will have been able to make average of 500 pips, if not more than that. Yes, 600 pips in total. And that is something exciting about power of raw price action reading, because when market was doing this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and here market could not break this key level, this resistance, I knew that market is about to do something funny. And what happened? Market broke this trend line and retested it again, because you can easily see that this is 4-hour time frame. What happened when market broke that trend line? Indecision formed. Then the second market candle that came out was bearish candle. It turned as if the bullish has resumed, but no, this simply means that a lot of buyers were trapped at this key level, thinking that market is resuming this buy side liquidity. But eventually, market has been dropping since until the end of this market today. Market dropped extensively, 600 pips. That is something amazing. And that is something, and that is the excitement of power of raw price action reading. But for this coming week, I am expecting market to reverse. Yes. And why do I say I'm expecting market to reverse? This is something I've taken notice based on something I noticed based on raw price action reading. When immediately market reached this 119,588 key levels, what happened? Market begins to consolidate. Market was consolidating. It means that since Thursday that market reached this key level, there was a massive level of consolidation. But eventually, after the extensive consolidation, something exciting happened. Yes, something exciting happened. What happened? Chart patterns begins to form. And like I usually say, when markets want to reverse, there will be a form of tiny, imperfect chart patterns that will play out, so that you can easily know that market is about to change one more time. And this is exactly what happened right now. Though this is not perfect. Imperfect inverse head and shoulder chart patterns, because you can see now the previous analysis, this is where it ended. Let me move it up here. Let me draw the line so that you can see it. Yes. And this is the neckline. So you can easily see that this market actually is pulling something. So this is one shoulder. This shoulder stopped here, the second one here, but this is massive imperfect head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder chart patterns in 1 hour time frame. And if you can see again, something is happening right now. When this imperfect head and shoulder chart patterns form, what happened? Market pull up and retest again to come and retest the neckline. So this coming Monday now, I am expecting massive buy side liquidity for GBP JPY. Yes, massive buy side liquidity for GBP JPY. And even the closing of the market simply means that indecision, because sellers were the one in the market before buyer came into the scenario, into the scene to snatch the market from them, because market was already, because after breaking of this neckline, market drop. This is the neckline here. Market rejected this key level, and it was as if the sellers are in charge of the market again. What happened here? Market could not break this key level, and right now market is already buying. Now this trend line is going to be valid, so I'll be expecting market to break this trend line this coming week by Monday and retest this key level. Once market retests this key level, then market is coming here as usual. So I'll be expecting market to do something like this next week. Since market reach this key level, could not break it. Market will break it. Now retest this key level again. Then I'll be expecting massive buy side liquidity to resume next week. So, and that is all about raw price action reading, like no indicator, nothing. How am I able to spot this market structure as soon as possible? Because I've been doing this for 4 years, spending average of 10 hours every single day in front of the chart in order to understand what market is doing. This is 2025. You cannot afford not to be good. You cannot afford not to be extraordinary, more educated. You need to educate yourself. And that's one of the reasons why I have this channel. The purpose of this channel is not you copying the style of my trading. The purpose of this channel is to give you lens for you to understand the nature of the market. Once you can understand what market is doing before it become obvious, you to open the chart, go and check your own chart ideas out, and you will find it more interesting. So I'm expecting market to break this key level and retest it. And how many pips are we expecting in this key zone? I am very, very sure it will be nothing less than, yes, the first take profit is 232 pips. 232 pips. But let's go to 4-hour time frame. But in 4-hour time frame, there is massive opportunity that market is coming to this key level. And the market is coming to this same key level. That will be average of how many pips in total? That will be 400 pips. Imagine that before market shows over. Imagine if you're able to enter this market this coming Monday, once market resume on Sunday night, this is 400 pips, for almost 416 pips, but at least 400 pips. Single entry, a setup. These are the kind of setup that you need that can make you to pass your profit challenge as soon as possible. These are the kind of setup that when you enter, it gives you peace of mind. You are not panic. You are not trying to click buy and sell every single time. And how many pips stop loss? Less than 50 pips stop loss. And you are taking, imagine 50 pips to catch 400 pips. That is one ratio hit. One ratio, that is exciting. If you make this kind of trade, it will make your day for an entire month. So that is raw price action reading. That is the power of raw entry and exit without stress. But you need to give it time. You need to know what you are doing. We're able to predict all this buy side liquidity last week because I have done my due diligence. I have done the assignment. I have been studying the market back to back for a very long time. Even when this market, if you can remember, I call this place rooftop. Yes, like this is rooftop chart patterns, and I plot this trend line. I upload this key level if you can still remember. If you think I'm lying, go back to my previous video and watch it out. And that is exactly what happened in GBP/JPY. So market has closed for today as indecision, which means that the seller are already losing control of the market. So that is it for GBP/JPY. So you too go back to your key levels, go and plot it out, check it. If you don't understand, come back to my channel and go and see how I was able to plot my own key levels too. This is pure trend line breakout with raw price action reading. So that is simple. So that is what is happening in GBP/JPY. So let's me check good also, because before I go into good, let me go to US 30 to show you guys. Yes, If you remember very well, to those who have been following my channel, I was able to plot this key level when this UH30 was about to break out. Yes, this trend line. I predicted this one that market will break it out. What happened? Market broke it and buy massively. After it bought, what do I do again? I plot another key level of this trend line. The market will break it again. What happened? That is exactly what market is doing right now. It broke that trend line and market has been selling so far until the close of the day. And I'm expecting market reaction at this key level. So I'm expecting market to test this key level and come and complete the buy side liquidity at this level. And if you move to daily time frame, you can see that this is the continuation of raw price action leading, no indicator, nothing. And that is exactly what market is all about. But you need a stable psychology in order to trade this market, because you might think it is simple because I've been explaining it so simple. No, 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 no. Market will play tricks on you. Market will work on your psychology. Market will explore the weakness in you and show it to you. So if you are not emotionally balanced, if you are not experienced, if you are not the type of person that have been understanding yourself for a long period of time, when market move, maybe you are in the buy side liquidity and market is about to enter, and market is doing as if it's not going your way. That is why you must have proper risk management. And apart from that, always put stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. Go big or go home, do not make money in this industry. In fact, once you have the mindset of go big or go home, you will go to your village very fast. You cannot afford to be a reckless trader in 2025. Your goal as a trader is to become a professional. The purpose and the goals of every trader is to be able to print money in the market space continuously over a long period of time. If you can't print money continuously in the market space, then you are not doing things right. You are not. And that is all about price action leading. So give yourself time. Don't rush it. Find what you are missing and study the chart. Study it. And that is, as we are speaking right now, UH30 is moving the way we ought to. So once market come and test this key level, GBP or Sunday night, UH30 is coming to these 45,000 key levels, which is the previous resistance of the previous analysis. And that is what I have for you guys on UH30. Let's quickly go back to gold, my sweet gold, and see what happened. To those who have watched my previous channel, exactly this is what I run. I run that market will break out this key level. Yes, if you go back to my chart, go and check it out. And what happened? Market broke it, retest, and even surpass it. After the massive buy, market even came to now the previous resistance at the left-hand side. And that is exactly what is happening right now. For now, I am not doing anything on gold. I just want market to settle again. Because your goal as a trader is not just to click buy and sell. Your goal as a trader is to be extremely patient enough to let market weakness show its way. That is why for you to be a profitable trader, always think like a sniper. A sniper do not have time to kill its target 4 times in a row. Only one shot is what a sniper needs. So if you can think like a sniper, if you can have the behavioral pattern of a sniper who is extremely patient for a setup over a long period of time, you will make it. And my wish for you is to be successful. My wish for you is to be a professional, successful trader, because that is all that matters. That is why you are watching this channel. That is why you are burning your data in order to understand what market is doing. That is why you couldn't give up, even when it seems like family and friends are making jokes of you that you don't know what you are doing. So, and if that is the case, I want you to take trading serious in 2025. I want you to take it serious. So if you can take it serious and be a student of the market, let market show you where it is going. You will be profitable with time. And that is the few market. Okay, let me quickly go to BTC USD. Oh my God, right now BTC has gone back to $104,000. Yes, market. So do you see what happened? This trend line here, if you run my previous analysis, if you go and watch it, I said as long as this key level hold GBP, if you check my previous analysis and I run it that as long as this key level hold BTC USD is still in buy side liquidity, because market was consolidating here for almost how many days? For almost a month. Since November, so market has been consolidating in this key level in daily time frame. And right now, we are in $104,111. As long as this key level holds, it means that BTC is about to take another all-time high. At least BTC is coming to $117,000. If the key level is being respected, it means that BTC is coming to an average of $120,000. Yes, $120,000. Take it from this channel first, because since once market use this level as support level, the market is coming here first, which is the completion of this trend line that I drew here. This trend line, then this is so, which is $120,000 to at least average of $120,000. And that one can happen in the next 1 week. So, but for now, this is BTC USD is pure bullish market. The buyers are making massive money now. They are making exponential money right now. But as you're making your money, watch and pray. Be attentive. Don't rush yourself. And make your money while it lasts. As long as the bullish market are doing wonders. And to at least, so by Monday, the next president of the United States of America is going to be showing, in which we will know the direction of the market for 2025. That is all I have for you guys this morning, and happy weekend to you guys. So you can see that BTC was consolidating. This is sideways. In trading, we call this thing sideways market, because though there is, if you go to lower time frame, market was buying and selling, but in higher time frame like daily candle, it's sideways market. And right now, because the last time BTC came to test this level was December 17, and right now as I'm speaking, this is January, and as I'm speaking right now, this is January 17, which is a month later. Market is here again testing the key level. So from here, $120,000. And if that one hold, that means that indeed BTC is going to the moon. So that is all I have for you guys this morning. So thank you guys for watching. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, click the link below. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. On your notification, share this channel with your friends and family. And thank you for watching. Till I come your way again next time, be safe.